This is our BattWatcher like stick-on battery monitor. So easy to use, simple system, perfect for like lead type batteries. So this could be a starting battery. You can use it on an AGM type storage battery, but obviously certain data you're not going to get. You're mainly just going to get the voltage data and temperature. Very easy to use. Like stick it on with the pad supplied, where it's going to like suit. Connect these positive and negative up to the battery, positive and negative. And you have a few different things on here it displays. It's going to display the health of the battery and the 5 LEDs up here. It's going to check your cranking system, so when the car starts, it'll make sure the battery doesn't dip too low. It's going to check your charging system, so it's going to check that the charging voltage is correct, or you're not getting too much ripple current coming in. It's going to warn you if there's low charge on the battery, and also there's a temp warning there. So very easy to use stick-on battery monitor. And in the kit you just get the monitor itself, a stick pad and the manual. Just installing our stick-on battery monitor. So very easy to install. Loosen off your terminals on your battery, and ideally we're going to put this in the middle here. Got our negative first. Sandwich your terminal in there, and positive, you can just make sure the wires are going to be okay where you want to run them. And tighten up the positive. Now you can see your unit is installed here. Next you want to take your stick pad. It's got a red and like a yellow side. Put the yellow side onto the back of the actual unit here, just in the square where it can fit in the middle. And give it a clean, clean the area. You're going to stick it down. Make sure you're not covering any important information on the battery sticker that you need to know, which is normally all in that place there. Peel the red side off, peel the red stick side off, and stick it down where you want to put it. Give it a good push down for 30 seconds or so. Then once that's done, you can obviously tuck these wires up somewhere or zip tie them to tidy them up.